Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system details and securing your data. Open Settings, check Windows 11 build and whether the OS is 64-bit. This matters for package compatibility. Once done, backup critical files and create a restore point or disk image to recover if needed. Now, run PowerShell as administrator. You need admin rights to reinstall core components. Make sure your internet is active because Windows will download replacement packages. This step prevents mismatched versions and avoids later failures. You'll remove corrupt components, then restore them cleanly. First, use PowerShell commands to remove specific Microsoft Defender app packages and cached bits. This clears damaged manifests. Next, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the system image, then sfc/scano to restore protected files. Once the repair commands finish, reinstall Defender packages via Microsoft Store or PowerShell package provider. The reason is to replace faulty binaries and re-register services. You finish by validating the service and cleaning up. Open Windows Security, confirm real-time protection, cloud-delivered protection, and that virus definitions update. These show the reinstall worked. Check Event Viewer and Windows Update for leftover errors. They reveal missing dependencies. If something fails, run the built-in Windows Security Troubleshooter and use the App Reset button in Settings Apps and Features. This re-registers app data without full reinstall. If problems persist, restore from the image you made and repeat the targeted steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.